Hi there, time for another eSIM demo from OneNote team. This time this is coming from OneNote terminal, where we recently shipped a great improvement when it comes to managing and handling the activation codes that are tied to a specific subscription, meaning that now you can download eSIM profiles onto any router or device that supports the SGP.22 standard. So with me is a Teltonika RUT241 router, which has a built-in eSIM support. So I'm going to show you in terminal how you can get activation codes and then use them for a profile download. So here I have filtered out SGP.22 SIM type. I can also see the activation code here for a particular eSIM profile. If I click it, it's copied and I can use it for the profile download on the Teltonika user interface. But first, if I open up a detail view, I can also first I should need activate it, and then here I can also see the full QR code if necessary. But yeah, I'm gonna copy the activation code again, and then we're gonna jump into the Teltonika's user interface. Let's find the eSIM profiles section, and then here profile name demo, and here I can copy the activation code, and then I'm gonna trigger the profile download. I'm sure I want to download the eSIM profile, and now it's gonna take some time to actually download the profile. All right, as you can see, the profile was downloaded and enabled on the router. So I can see here the ICC ID and also that profile is enabled. It ends with 378. So if I go back to terminal, then yes, it is the same ICC ID 378. So we've now successfully downloaded the profile onto the router. There are other ways as well to use the activation codes. So obviously you can select them in bulk and export them in an Excel file, or you can also leverage our API to actually streamline and make the profile download and enable process streamlined in scale when you have your production up and running and you have your internal systems built like that you can get the activation code over API and use that for triggering profile download as the devices are manufactured and will be ready for deployment. If you have any questions or you would like to know about how those eSIM profiles work or what type of connectivity we can provide over these profiles sitting in SMTP+, then just reach out.